Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Pradistia Safir Bagaskara. Here, I will tell you about my daily life when I was in elementary school. I went to Purwasari State Elementary School. My sister and I were always taken to school by my father on motorbike. At school, I met a lot of friends. Oh yeah, when I was elementary school, I went to school with my cousin who was the same age. My cousin and I were only in the different class. Continue the story about friends. I used to have a lot of friends who always went everywhere together. We used to love sport class the most. When I was time for sport, we immediately ran to the field to play soccer. Playing soccer was the most exciting thing in elementary school. At the time, there was an incident while playing soccer, or two friends fought each other. The problem was trivial because the ball was taken by the English teacher sound very funny. But after being spared, my two friends remained good friends. When the bell rang, I did not go straight home to my own house, but went home to my grandfather's house. My cousin and I rushed home to my grandfather's house. After arriving at my grandfather's house, my cousin and I immediately played or watched television. When 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we got ready to study the Quran. My cousin and I left by bicycle, and the Quran study place in I was a different class from my cousin because he was more fluent in reading the Quran. I studied the Quran until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. My cousin and I rushed home to my grandfather's house. On the way to my grandfather's house, I did not go home with my cousin alone, but many of my friends went home in the same direction as my grandfather's house. There we cycled together. At the time we thought I was very cool because we imagined it was like motorcycle gang abroad. When I arrived at my grandfather's house, I waited for my father to come home from work to pick me up. When my father had picked me up at my grandfather's house, I rushed home with my father. That's all. A story about my daily life in elementary school. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.